Hi, this is Marrakech Cooking Queen. Today we're gonna cook liver with Moroccan spices. So let's discover the Moroccan way to savor liver like never before. With bold spices and fresh herbs. This dish is packed with flavor and ready in just 15 minutes. Whether you enjoy it in a sandwich or with pasta, this liver recipe will transport your taste buds straight to Morocco. So let's dive in. To start, you will need an onion. Diced, put it in a pan with a generous amount of olive oil. Next, add 500 grams of beef or chicken liver cut into small pieces. Season with salt, plenty of cumin and a touch of turmeric for a beautiful golden color. Then mix in with a tablespoon of crushed garlic and a tablespoon of preserved lemon. If you don't have preserved lemon, substitute it with the juice of half lemon. Finally, add 4 tablespoons of freshly chopped coriander and parsley. Feel free to add more if you love these herbs. Stir everything together and let it cook over medium heat for about 15 minutes. And just like that, your dish is ready. Enjoy it in a sandwich for an explosion of flavors, or serve it with pasta like spaghetti. Don't hesitate to give this recipe a try. You will love it. Subscribe for more delicious dishes with me, the Marrakech Cooking Queen. Thank you and see you soon.